This is the D01 visual soldering iron. This is the world's first Wi-Fi connected soldering tool. It features a built-in camera with 50 times zoom. It's designed to change the way you handle DIY electronics forever. The biggest challenge with modern electronics is the size. Parts keep getting smaller. This gadget solves that by streaming real-time video directly to your phone or tablet. Since it works with both iOS and Android, you just open the app and look at your screen. You get an incredibly clear view of every detail. No more straining your neck or using bulky magnifying glasses. You can sit upright and work comfortably. Whether you are fixing a smartphone chip or working on a custom PCB, the 50 times zoom makes the tiniest components look huge. Most soldering irons keep you tethered to a wall outlet. This tool is completely cordless. It gives you total freedom to move around your workbench or take your projects on the go. It's lightweight and easy to handle. Despite being portable, it doesn't sacrifice power. This gadget heats up from cold to ready in 9 seconds. That is faster than you can even get your solder wire ready. It saves you time and keeps your workflow moving. Temperature is everything when it comes to a clean joint. This tool offers 5 professional temperature settings. You can switch between them with one touch. A bright LED display on the handle keeps you informed about the heat level and battery life. To make things even easier, it has a built-in LED light. It provides 800 lumens of brightness at a wide angle. This kills all shadows, even in dark cases or tight spaces. You can see the molten pool and every seam with perfect clarity. You might worry about a battery-powered tool dying mid-project. This device supports 40 minutes of continuous work on a single charge. If you have a massive project, don't worry. It supports use while charging. You can plug it into a power bank and keep right on working. When the tip eventually wears out, replacing it is simple. It uses standard soldering iron tips that you can find at almost any online shop. This isn't just a tool for pros. It's perfect for beginners who want to learn without the frustration of blind soldering. It's great for jewelry makers, hobbyists fixing toys, or engineers prototyping new tech. It turns a stressful task into a focused, easy experience. If you're tired of the struggle and ready to see what you've been missing, check out the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with your fellow makers. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech tools. Thanks for watching.